Our first roof, we noticed that there were humps in the shingles and cracking and curling up. We were new homeowners and young, and the wind blows and you find your shingles laying on the ground. And that's a hint that there's a problem.
Many of our neighbors were having their roofs replaced, but I wanted to see if I could extend the life of our roof. So I contacted Roof Maxx.
2016, wasn't it?
Yes, 2016, and then it was just about a year ago? Mm-hmm. Just about a year ago when they came back.
It adds life, so you need not necessarily to rip off a roof and re-roof again. Mm-hmm. So this will give you 5 or more years. Mm-hmm. Said, okay, well, let's give it a shot.
Yeah, we built this house. It was built in 2001. The shingles were actually, I think, 40-year dimensional shingles on our house, but I would have never left them on anywhere near 40 years because they were just getting so unsightly. It lost any sheen it had. It was very dull. And Roof Maxx, when they treated the roof, that all went away, and the shingles looked like they did, to my memory, the day they went on there. And they've maintained that appearance. 6 years past the first treatment and 1 year past the second one, and this roof's now 21 years old and has seen some horrendous storms, unfortunately, come through here. And yet my roof still looks like it got put on a few weeks ago versus 21 years ago.
Well, we did have 2 sprays.
Yeah.
And I'm assuming that we have more.
They applied the first treatment in fall of 2016. We had no problems after the first treatment. Last year, it was time for the second treatment, and they came out and applied that. We've had no problems at all, and many of our neighbors during this time have had their roofs replaced due to storm damage and hail damage, but our roof has stood the test of time, so we're very thankful to Roof Maxx.
Roof Maxx is a great product. I could recommend it for anybody. I've had 2 treatments on my roof, and we'll keep monitoring it to see if a 3rd treatment will extend the life of the roof. It stays clear. I don't wind up with the fungus growing on the roof, which is common in this area. And any time that I've had it inspected, they say it's in great shape.
We're hoping to get another 15 years life out of this roof if we get another treatment in 5 years.
Hey man, I'm looking for 25 years now. Come on. Very satisfied with it. It's done what it said it would do.
If he is satisfied with it, it has to be good. Because otherwise, if it's not satisfied with anything, everybody knows he's not satisfied.
I would highly recommend it. Yes, I would recommend it.